fucking tool picks. I think there should be an exit this way. No way. Leland's gone already. He must have got him trying to pick a lock or something. Let's play this game to win. Let's get another pick. Alright, I'm just gonna go bounce this way. Damn, I really should do fuse. Depends how hard this guy's playing if I do the fuse or not.
Shit. Get away.
Out of there. This guy's retarded. These guys are on dick.
I think I can make it.
Alright. Let's film like a fuse exit. Ah, he see me. Oh! Sonny. Dang, I didn't even. Oh, okay, we're playing house. Oh. Is you dumb? He tried that shit, didn't he? This dude's on dick. Am I the only fucking person alive right now? Let me keep moving. They finna be mad as hell at me. Run, nigga! Hell no. Connie, run back through there. Defeat then, Connie. She should have bucked her right. Damn, R.I.P. Connie. What's up, Leland? Come on, leave out of here. He's seeing me.
Oh, you poor little thing.
I slammed it! Let's get a better. Okay, fuck it. I'll go for a bounce grab soon. There has got to be. Bro, why can't I find a freaking toolbox? I'm trying to pump fake this nigga. That should work too good. Alright. Gosh, dang. Some early excitement. I'll tell you that much. There's a gate right here. Go right through here. Let's go back through. I'm going back into the basement. Might have to take the same route I just took. Back through here. Back through here. I'm running to the basement. And I just seen health this way actually. What? This nigga just gave up. Oh my god. I was weaving shit.
Thank God.
Why are there so many? There's 1, 2, 3 all next to each other. When I open this shit, y'all better be ready to go.
Thank God.
Why would you do that shit? Bro. If I have to go all the way back to the basement to find a lockpick, that's crazy. I should have just went back in the basement. I might have to just go back into the basement. Okay, well, any plan's better than no plan, so I'm about to start heading back towards that way. Let's pray this thing is unlocked. Which it's probably not.
It's locked.
Fuck. Are you kidding me? I have to go back into the basement. I'm hoping this is what the fuse actually leads to, because I'll hit feet. Fuck. Quick math. Alright. And I think we just got our Julie exit. Fuck, I ran the wrong way. Damn. Wait. Here we go. Oh my gosh! Wow! Holy shit. That was like a second. Wow. Holy shit. Oh yeah, baby.